Find the maximum area of any rectangle which may be inscribed in a circle of radius 1. Ang gusto nating i-optimize for this problem is the area of a rectangle that will be inscribed in a circle. So, kailangan ma-maximize natin yung area na yon. Drawing muna natin yung figure for this. Let's say we have this circle. And ang radius niya is 1. Tapos, meron tayong naka-inscribe na rectangle. Ito yung radius niya. That is equal to 1. Sulat natin yung dimension ng ating rectangle. Tawagin natin to as x. And this dimension as y. Then let's write the equation for the area of the rectangle. We have the area as x times y, or just the product of the length and the width. Before we differentiate this, kailangan ma-reduce muna natin siya into one variable. Ngayon, paano natin isusulat si x or si y in terms of the other variable? Looking at the figure, we can come up with a triangle. Pag tinignan nyo to, pwede tayong makagawa ng right triangle wherein the hypotenuse, ito yon, is just equal to the diameter ng circle. So, drawing that, meron tayong right triangle na merong hypotenuse na 2, or that is 2 times 1. Tapos, yung sides niya is x and y, and that is also the sides of the rectangle. We can write a relationship for x and y using Pythagorean theorem. So we can write 2 squared, that is the hypotenuse, that is equal to the sum of the squares of each side, x squared plus y squared. So then we can write y squared in terms of this. So y squared is equal to 4 minus x squared, then y, taking the square root of both sides, we'll have 4 minus x squared. Di ba pag kumukuha tayo ng square root, meron tayong positive and negative value. Pero for this problem, since dimension yung tinutukoy natin, hindi na natin gagamitin yung negative value. So, ang kukunin lang natin is yung positive value. So, palit na natin to dito sa ating equation or function. Area is equal to x times square root of 4 minus x squared. Then, i-differentiate na natin to with respect to x. The derivative of a with respect to x is equal to, so ang gagamitin natin dito ay product rule since we have the product of two terms. So, x, or the first term, times the derivative of the second term. Square root of 4 minus x squared can be also written as 4 minus x squared raised to 1/2. So, the derivative of that is 1/2 times 4 minus x squared. Exponent niya 1/2 minus 1 multiplied by the derivative ng terms inside the square root. So, that is negative 2x plus second term, derivative second term multiplied by the derivative of the first term, that is just equal to 1. Simplify natin to. Derivative of a with respect to x is equal to, so we can cancel 2 here. Then x times negative x is negative x squared multiplied by 4 minus x squared with the exponent na negative 1/2 plus square root of 4 minus x squared. Then we'll equate this to 0. negative x squared over square root of 4 minus x squared. Binaba na natin siya since exponent niya is negative, plus square root of 4 minus x squared. Lipat natin to sa left side, so it will become positive. Cross multiply, so x squared times 1 is x squared. Square root of 4 minus x squared times square root of 4 minus x squared is 4 minus x squared. Lipat natin sa kabila sa x squared. 2x squared is equal to 4, dividing both sides by 2, and we'll have x squared is equal to 2, or therefore the value of x is equal to positive and negative square root of 2. So again, dahil dimension yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, ine-neglect natin yung negative, ang kukunin lang natin yung positive. So let's now solve for y. Y is just equal to square root of 4 minus x squared. Ito yung x squared, equal daw sa 2. So we have y is equal to square root of 2. Looking at our answers, we solve for x as square root of 2 and y as square root of 2. Kung makikita ninyo, equal sila, meaning yung largest rectangle na pwede nating inscribe sa isang circle is a square. So, yun na yung magiging shortcut natin.